We started the greenhouses in the spring of 1973. Dave always loved to grow things. That's just been a part of his life all along. He had talked about starting a greenhouse a few times, but there was a neighbor just 2-3 roads over that had a small greenhouse, and he thought he didn't want to start one and run competition to them because it was very small at that time. When that neighbor was going to move and asked us if we knew anybody who would be interested in purchasing their greenhouses, Dave right away said, yeah. We decided that fall to move them home and start growing things. We never expected they would get this big. I mean, if somebody would have told us that 40 years ago, we might have said, oh, we don't think we're going to start. But it's grown, and we've grown with it, and we've learned a lot along with it, so it's been good. There's a lot of changes. Back then, we grew basically in topsoil with some peat moss, and we grew in much larger containers. Fiber containers. There was more things started from seed than there are now. Now more things that we grow are started from cuttings. We grow in a totally soilless mix, and the types of plant material have changed totally, really, really changed. The way we plant is probably the biggest change. When we started, every container was filled by hand out of a wheelbarrow. Soil was mixed by hand using a tiller on the cement floor. Now we've got machines that mix the soil. We have machines that fill the flats and a machine that fills the pots and dispenses them automatically, and conveyors that take things all over the place. We used to handle everything by hand, and now most things are done with conveyors. And of course, part of the reason we've done that is because of the way we've grown. We couldn't possibly grow the amount of stuff now with the technique and the methods that we used back then. It's just really changed. What we're about here at Huron Ridge really is more than just, well, it needs to be more than just a business that's trying to make a profit. We look at how we treat our people who work for us, being able to provide jobs for some people, being able to treat our customers well, give them something that they can really enjoy. It's more than just running a greenhouse business. It's how we treat people and so forth. And so that's really reflected in our mission statement. To grow superior quality plants in a positive environment that nurtures team spirit, is customer friendly, and affirms the individual worth of all people.